Hey everyone, it is Stephanie Soebbing from Quilt Addicts Anonymous, and I am in my hotel room in Houston, Texas, and market just wrapped up. It was a really busy week. We didn't do a booth this time. I was here as a buyer for the shop, Quilt Addicts Anonymous, and then also kind of mingling and networking because I do more than just own a shop. I also design patterns and have some other cool things coming down the pipe. My book went to print this last week, so that's very exciting. Should be shipping in January, February of 2019 as soon as it gets back from the printer. So that was real exciting. I did a take and teach while I was there to support the book, all about 60-degree triangles and how they're really pretty easy to do once you know some tips and tricks and no eye seams. So that's awesome. So really busy 3 days. Our first day was super busy because I had the take and teach first thing in the morning, and then I had a lot of appointments to look at stuff to buy for the shop, and as I can really only speak to what is coming down the pipe in modern quilting fabric because that's our focus, and so I don't pay too much attention to what is going on with more traditional. But it seems to be the year of magical creatures. There were lots of lines with unicorns and gnomes and mermaids, and there were some gnomes. It was really cute and really fun, and if you have a 4-year-old like I do, or you have an inner 4-year-old inside yourself, I think you're going to really like some of the lines that are coming out, coming up. We'll show you some pictures of some of the ones that we're going to be getting here in the store while I'm chatting about it. But I'm really excited about what we have. We also have some more grown-up things coming as well. There's a really great neutral line coming from Cotton and Steel called Newsprint, and I'm a former journalist, and it was cool and neutral and fun, so of course we had to order that along with some other really fabulous things. We've got collections coming in the next 6 months from Free Spirit, Art Gallery Fabrics, Cotton and Steel, RJR, and I'm probably forgetting some. Clothworks, of course, Clothworks, always Clothworks because we love them, and also QT Fabrics. So lots of fun things coming, and then of course we have pre-cuts from all kinds of people. We sell a lot of pre-cuts and we know that you love them, so I ordered a whole bunch, and I'm really excited about some of the canvas that I got. We have been having canvas as we've been going around to a lot of shows, and you guys have really loved it, so we're going to be adding it to the brick and mortar store and then also online soon. So we have some collections from Cotton and Steel, and then we also have a lot that we have added from some organic cotton manufacturers, and so that's going to be real fun to add to the store because it's organic cotton, and so it's renewable and a fabulous, great resource. And then also I am probably going to be adding some cork because canvas is great for bags and cork is great for bags, and they go great together. So look for some videos coming up. We're going to be doing some collabs with bag makers to be able to show you how to use some of the stuff because it's really pretty combinations. And when you think of cork, like, don't think of like a cork board. Like, it comes in all these really cool colors. There's metallics, and they're just fabulous. So definitely check that out. Keep an eye on it. So everything I ordered today will come over the next 6 months. So it's not like I can like put it online tomorrow and you can get it like the next day, but we've got some really cool things coming, so definitely keep that in mind. So tonight is a chill night. We get to do some binding. I'm going to be getting a video online. We actually just went and photographed it. It is a modern trip around the world using Allison Glass's New Line road trip, and I think it's just super appropriate because we're here on a road trip in Texas, and we went to a park in Houston to photograph it, and it was kind of windy, so we got the quilts floating in the wind photos. So it should be fun. It should be really cute. And so that video will already be up by the time you're watching this. So we'll show you some photos, but go check that out. It is a fat quarter friendly pattern, uses Allison Glass, and we've got that in stock, so we can get that to you. So go check that out. That'll be fun. And what else? Well, okay, so tomorrow we start setting up for a festival because we've got a booth there. So we'll kind of vlog a little bit as the week goes on, and we're going to do some touristy things tomorrow too because we can't get in until late in the day to start setting up because they've got to get everything set after tearing down from Quilt Market tonight. So we will check in with you a little bit later. Bye. So it has taken about 10 hours between yesterday and today, but we have got our booth set up. I'm going to give you a little bit of a booth tour before the craziness starts. We hear that preview night is insane, Black Friday for quilters, so we're looking forward to it and hope it is fun and crazy. So we'll start with a wide shot of the booth. We have packed a lot into a 10 by 10 space. We brought basically every pre-cut quilt kit and, as you can see, a whole lot of Jelly Roll rug goodness. We've got all of the Quilt Addicts Anonymous patterns here, plus my favorite Bozal in our Form Plus. This is great for bags. We'll show you one that's made with it later. We've got all the Quilt Addicts Anonymous original patterns here. And I love this thing. I think it was originally meant to hold CDs. We got it at a Toys R Us going out of business sale, but it is fabulous for displaying charm packs. It just looks great here. I love it. And above it we have Charm Squared, which is one of our original patterns that's made with 2 charm packs. We got to borrow the Give It a Twirl quilt. It was in the latest issue of American Patchwork and Quilting, and you can see we've got some kits there for it. We also have quilt kits for Medallion Star, Trending Up, my Line It Up quilt kit that is in the Quilts and More magazine, Dimensions, and Penguin Party. And of course here is Trending Up. We've got a pastel Jelly Roll rug, the straight version. This is one of my favorite quilts. It's Hillside. It's made with 2 Jelly Rolls, and we've got a video tutorial that shows you how to do it. Here is the latest Jelly Roll rug that I have done. This is a straight version. It is a lot easier than the round or the curvy one, and we have a few of those rolls left that we used to make it. We have a mountain batting rolls, so if you need some, we got them. Here's Medallion Star. We have a few kits left of that, and then we have tons and tons of Jelly Rolls and pre-cuts. They're really, really pretty. I love these cotton and steel collector boxes. Everybody just wants to like pet them because you get 40 fat quarters in them, and it ends up being about $2.48 a fat quarter, and they all coordinate, and the box is really cool. We've got the Line It Up quilt here, so that's fun. And we've got this travel duffel with trolley sleeves bag. This one is always a hit at shows. Here's the pattern, and here's the canvas that we use to make it. 1 2-yard cut of canvas is enough to do the bag, plus a coordinating makeup bag, and the trolley sleeve on the side fits on your suitcase handle. You can kind of see it on the pattern there. It just slides right over, so you don't have to worry about it flopping around. Here is our modern trip around the world that was in our video last week, so you can see how to make that. We do have a bunch of Allison Glass fat quarter bundles to go with that, and then of course we have lots and lots and lots of pre-cuts, so it should be fun. Alright, so it is almost 11 o'clock at night. We just got back to the hotel. We went down there like 8 a.m. this morning, so it's been a long day. We had a 5-hour preview night. It was a lot of fun. Some shows there isn't a lot of people at the preview night, but this was really well attended. So it's always fun talking with people. I met some of you guys who watch the videos, so thanks. We always love meeting people in person. But I'm tired and I'm hungry, so I'm going to put on some eye gel patches so I don't look as tired tomorrow. And then I'm going to eat some pizza and go to bed. So see you in the morning. This is what it looks like when you walk in. Everyone has covered up their booths for the night, just as a little bit of a security measure. So this is really all I see of the show, is when I'm walking through in the morning and at night, and then hustling to and from the bathroom. Alright, so we are on Saturday, and I match the quilt behind me. We've got the Allison Glass one, the new one, the Modern Trip Around the World. It's been super popular. I've already asked if I can reorder fat quarter bundles because you guys love it, so I'm glad you do. But Allison Glass does some fabric that you can use for garments too. I'm wearing Mariner's cloth, so you can check that out on our website, shop.quiltaddictsanonymous.com. Yesterday was crazy busy, and I'm using my phone for internet to check out, so I was not able to get any video whatsoever. So I shot some videos. I was walking in today, so you can kind of see what I see, because when you're working a booth at a quilt show, you pretty much are in your booth and you go to the bathroom, and that is it. Like, I don't even stop to eat. I have some granola bars here with me that I just snack on throughout the day, and then I just gorge on food at dinner time because I'm just starved by then. So I see my neighbors, so we'll get some video of our neighbors once they're up and moving, and that's really all I get to see at Quilt Festival. So I know it probably seems really glamorous that I get to go to all these shows, but really, like, I see my area and the bathroom, and that's it. That's all I see. So it's fun. It's a great thing to do, but it's not the same experience as you guys have coming to the shows, that's for sure.
So we are across in Spirit of Art, the Artisans. They import these beautiful hand-dyed and hand-created fabrics, handcrafted. I bought some silk and some of their border fabric. I'm going to do some fun stuff with it, so take a look for that. Later, I'm sure we'll do some videos on it. We're also near C&T Publishing, and I'm definitely going to be buying that emoji book and doing it as a craft with kids. It's going to be super fun, super cute.
So I meant to do like a goodbye for the video from the actual convention center as we were packing up, but it took like twice as long because it was crazy getting out because everyone was trying to leave at the same time. So we are in the car on the way back. We just crossed from Texas to Arkansas, and we still have like 10 hours to go at least. So it's gonna be a long drive, a long haul. So thanks for following along at our